Better World Books by Karen Emmerich. What is a social business? Better World Books is a social business. It is a business that saw a social problem and when it was created, and the people who decided to create it just created it in order to solve a social problem. But they also are doing it to make money. It was started at Notre Dame. At Notre Dame, there were 3 college students who had just graduated and could not find jobs. As they were sitting around their dorm room, they decided that they wanted to take the books that were laying around and were left by the other college students and try and sell them online. Xavier Helgeson, Chris Fuchs, and Jeff Kurtzman were those 3 students. Chris was the one that decided to sell the books online and see what happened. If they had taken them to the bookstore, the college bookstore, they would not have received as much money as they received during the time that they sold them online. And that's how Better World Books got started. The social problems that the Better World Books addressed were landfills, literacy, and jobs. Better World Books that they receive are books that would otherwise have ended up in landfills. It addresses literacy because they provide money for literacy programs and donate money to libraries. And it's the libraries that usually are the ones that donate the books. And it created jobs for people in their community. How does it work? Libraries and general public can donate books to Better World Books. Better World Book pays for the shipping, so they send people out to the libraries to pick up the books that the librarians no longer want to make room for new books. They then sell those books and advertise them online. Customers buy the books, and then whoever donates the books gets a portion of the profits. The social impact that they have is over 29 million books donated, $32 million funds raised for literacy and libraries, and 380 million books reused or recycled. Better World Books sends books and donates books to organizations throughout the world. They send them to Africa, to China, to Australia, and to the United States. 29 million books donated and reused is a huge impact. They have had some struggles this past year because of the COVID pandemic. Better Business Bureau has had an increase in their customer reviews and customer complaints. They've had customer dissatisfaction, and they haven't responded to the negative reviews in the past 12 months. There is an outside source that does rate Better World Books, and it has rated them at 4.57 out of 5 stars, which means on whole, most of their customers are satisfied. The solutions to these problems are that they can create a better system of identifying and organizing their books. Many times they identify and organize them on just the barcodes that they receive from the libraries. Sometimes those barcodes don't match the book. They need more customer service employees, and they need to make the information clearer on their website. I noticed most of the complaints were complaints by people who were upset by how long it took, which cannot be controlled because of COVID and all of the shipping going on right now. But the other problem was that the major problem was that people were upset because they received items that were not as in good condition as they thought they should have been, and they were library books and they didn't realize they were buying used library books. So the information on the website about each item, each book that's being sold to them needs to be more clear. They need to recommendations for scaling is they can expand donation sites. Like I said, they have a lot of donations that they've sent to Africa. So they could have a donation site in Africa where people donate books. They could have a donation site in Canada They could have one in China because they've sent a lot of books to China or somewhere else in Asia. They can get the word out to more people by advertising on Twitter and on Facebook and on any other social media. They can explore expanding factory spaces, like I said, in different countries. As far as donation sites, they can also have like a Dropbox at a library for public people to donate books. The resources that were used were Trustpilot, which was the place that had the Better World Books review, Better World Books itself, and the Better Business Bureau. I hope that this was informative enough for you guys, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.